Hi everyone, I am back and I'm here to show you some more of my craft room organization. And if you've watched my other previous videos, you will see that on one of my Kallax units I have lots of these boxes, my blue boxes, and I promised to show you what was in them and how I'd organize them. These are fantastic. Let me zoom out and just show you. These are absolutely massive, and you can, I've labeled the ends. They are really big. I mean, if you can see, they are huge. And I have them all stacked on the top of my Kallax unit. So I just wanted to show you what was in them. So I have three, believe it or not, three of these, which actually have, oh, if I can get into them, my washi tapes, and these are just perfect to store your washi tapes. And really, I don't have any rhyme or reason or how this is sorted out. I do intend on putting all my sort of word ones in one and keeping all my glitter ones in another, but apart from that, there really is no. I do have my Christmas ones still in my bottom drawer, but as far as these containers, I don't really have any method. They're just all nice and neatly stacked. I mean, I have gorgeous ones, I have glitter ones, but this actually fits so many rolls. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. They're not, there's only 4 in them. So say 30, 40, 50, way over 100 you get in there. I get way over 100 in each container. So this is number one. There really isn't any space left in this one, but at least they are quite organized. And then let me put this to one side a minute. And then this is number 2. Oops, if I can. Now I have tried to put all my word ones up here, if you can see. These are all word ones, so, and these are word ones, so I have tried to put them kind of up here, but there are some other word ones here, so I need to kind of really rearrange it. And I do have a bit of space, I've noticed here, where I could probably get some more in there from my other drawer. I do have some rogue ones that are knocking around somewhere, but I really don't know how to kind of organize them into colors and that, you know. I don't know, because I have so many. I mean, I have a Christmas box. I do have most of my glitter ones in the other one, but I've just noticed there's a few glittery ones in here as well, and there's another glitter one there and there. So maybe they could come out and go in my other one, and then bring some other ones into here. So I do need to really sit down and it's just, how do you sort them out? Do you know what I mean? Apart from doing the word ones and things, I really don't know. These are the lovely petal ones. I don't know if you've seen them. I must show them on. These are just rolls of flowers and petals, and they make up lovely like flowers. I don't know if I can show you from just doing this. I don't know if I can show you. Oh, no, I'm not probably pulling from the right section there. Let me see if I can do it. So these, you just take, I'm not doing this very well, am I? So you would just take one off and you make up like a flower. These are super cool, look. So you just make up, look at that, look. How cool is that? These are so cool. I haven't actually properly used them yet, as you can see. So you would just make, look, a flower. I need another one of the petals. Oh my gosh, look how lovely that is. And then you'd put another one here and then put a little centerpiece on. How cool is that? I have a couple of rolls of those, so I must put those together really. I probably have about 5 of those rolls, so I will have to put them together. So I do need to have a little bit of a sort out, but at least I kind of got, you know, all of my washi tapes basically in one place. I just wanted to show you how many washi tapes I have, and then I have another box here. So if you think there's 100 at least in each one, I have 300. I have probably about 400 washi tapes. So yes, quite a few. And I do have, let me just grab it. And then I also have this basket, which is in one of the drawers, which does have, these are all my Christmas washi tapes. And then I have just some rogue ones in here. I have a lot of word ones actually, which could go in my other one that has some space. I don't really think there's much space in here. So let me just, while we're on camera, let me see if I have any space here for some rolls. I don't think I've got much space. This is very colourful ones, sort of holiday ones, children ones. There's lots of like unicorns and little kids ones, and you know, very colourful ones in here. They're not so much shabby chic or vintage. Mind you, I love those butterfly ones. What I need to do is I do need to sit down one day and just sort of put like the ones I would use vintagey, the ones I would use not, if you know what I mean. So that's my other box. Let me bring this other one back just for a second, because I have seen in this basket some loose ones here. So these are my Tim Holtz ones, so I could put all my Tim Holtz ones in here because I do use those quite a lot. So let's put those in there. And there's another one here, because we did have a space, didn't we? Oh, why do they not stay in the place they're supposed to be put in? And then we've got this last one there. Actually, those glittery ones need to go in my other one, don't they? So we'll take those out for a minute. I have some more Tim Holtz there. That's a glittery one. What else do we have? Oh, these are more of those that you peel one thing at a time. Look, and these have got cute little labels. They're super cute. So I think that could go in there. I have another Tim Holtz one there. Oh, there's another of the petal ones, which these are different kind of petals. So where were my petal ones? My petal ones are here. So let's try and put them together. Now, I don't think that will fit. Oh, there's a word one up there. Let's have a look. What other ones do we have? There's quite a few glittery ones. Oh, I found a Christmas one that needs to go in the Christmas basket there. So let's have a look. We have another word one here. That's a word one. That's a word one. Where did I see another? What's this one say to do? That could probably go up there. And then I have a couple of decorative ones here, which could go in there. That's a Christmas one. Right, and then I've just kind of got oddment ones in there, really. That's a, oh, that's a Christmas one, so it needs to go in the Christmas. And then I've got, they're just glittery ones, I think, left in there. Oh, we have got another Tim Holtz one here. So let me take this one out and put that there. That can go in there. And that one has got words of some sort. So we could get a couple of more little bits and pieces in here. Might as well fill these little gaps up, mightn't we? What else do we have left in here? I know these are glittery, but I'd rather fill the gaps up rather than waste them. What do we have left? What do we have left? We have a gap there for a skinny one. Actually, that might fit a... No, it doesn't fit a bigger one. That one can go there. Oh, I found another wordy one. Let's take this one out, this stripy one. This could actually go in the Christmas one, couldn't it? We have a gap there. I don't like gaps. I don't like gaps because we could be filling them up with things. How thick is that? Oh, look, we found a space. Oh, and there's another skinny one there, which could go in there. Oh, and I found a super skinny one there, so that for sure could go there. So look, we've managed to put a few more in there. Oh, sparkle, let's have a look. This one is the snowflakes. Yeah, that's snowflakes, so that's got to go in the Christmas one, so we'll put that over there in the Christmas one. So we have filled some gaps, and so those are my 3 washi tape containers. And also I have just took some more out of my basket and made more of a space in there. So this is how I organize my washi tapes, in these 3 containers and this basket which goes in my drawer. This was a very quick video. Excuse me. I'll show you what's in my other containers in the next video. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope this is inspiring you to clear out your clutter, because that's what I'm doing. Right, take care for now everyone. See you all very soon. Bye bye.